How to optimize PocketBase performance. Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. In this video, I'm going to guide you through the steps on how you can optimize your PocketBase performance. Now, whether you're using PocketBase through your smartphone or through your PC, the process will be the same as you follow in this step. Now, to optimize PocketBase performance, index frequently filtered database fields, limit heavy JSON column usage, utilize proper pagination, and compile with the CGO SQLite driver for complex queries. You can also try to offload file storage to S3 compatible providers like Cloudflare R2 or AWS S3 and monitor performance tail latencies using external tools. And these are the steps that you can follow to optimize PocketBase performance. Hope this video helped you out. If you have got any further questions, do feel free to leave them down below. As always, thank you for watching and see you soon in the next video.